Hey there, welcome to the Mobility Shop. My name is Justin Fox, founder and CEO of the Mobility Shop. We're here at the Mobility Shop, and today I'd like to make a special offer to you. I'd like to offer you a free folding cane. Obviously, here at the Mobility Shop, we work with and have worked with thousands of families and people with mobility issues over the past number of years. And we feel that a cane is often the first step in maintaining your mobility and maintaining your independence. We had a family in here earlier today, and they were basically, they were working with the father, trying to look at different devices that might, aid in getting him, to be a little more active and to maintain, his independence. So they were looking at walkers and canes and different devices. In the end, they decided to go with the cane. It seemed like a great option. And as often is the case, a cane is that first step in sort of maintaining or potentially regaining your mobility, because it gives you the confidence and the ability to, where you maybe are feeling less confident to take that first step. It gives you the ability, a bit of support to maintain your balance and maintain your independence. And in doing so, obviously, it enables you to get out and again, regain your life, regain to get back out with the community, with family, with friends, get to the mall, get to church, get to various activities, maybe watching your grandkids or whatever the activity may be. A cane is definitely that, that first step in maintaining your mobility and maintaining your independence. So click the button below. Get your free cane today. It's a free folding cane. So click the button below. Once again, I'm Justin here at the Mobility Shop. We basically we want to help the community out, and we want to get everyone a free cane. We want to maintain people's mobility because we realize it is that first step. It is that first sort of stage in maintaining your mobility and independence. So once again, click the button below, and thanks again for joining me here on the Mobility Shop Live. I will see you again, and have yourselves a great day.